Mrs. Shet. I'm from Nigeria. I hold a bachelor's degree in food science and technology from the University of Nigeria. I have a project management certification from the Project Management Institute. I believe so much in food sustainability. I believe in health, nutrition, and food safety. And I chose Oniris because I believe that they will be more than able to help me achieve my dreams. Here in Oniris, we are taught by lecturers from the academia and from research institutes, and they are state-of-the-art facilities and they are practicals, and I have greatly improved in my theoretical and practical knowledge. In the future, I would like to take a career in food safety. I would like to be a research in a food safety laboratory, and I would like to also learn and so that I could go back and improve my community, because we have cases of food poverty, wastage and all degradation, and I would like to take the knowledge I have learned from here to go back to improve the quality of living in my country.